Hello parents, welcome to April 2025 Superstar Best Work. Yes, so this month, whatever work we found in the stage 4, it looks like Superstar works, all the works, you will find it on this particular videos. Okay, this means like Superstar works means like the students learn very well all the sketching method and they start sketching it properly. Okay, now so that's called, we call it like superstar works. Basically we'll collect these works from our class. You know that, correct? Every week we have one class, it's a 2 hours workshop model class. After completing the class, the student will post their works, whatever they learn on the particular class. I'll review, then I'll give you the feedback. Mainly I will review all the works. I will categorize all the works into the 4 stage. The works will come into that stage only. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. Okay. Based on the stage, my feedback and my instruction will be there. Like this, the students will improve themselves from one stage to the next stage to the next stage. So when they reach the 4th stage, their works looks like this. This happens within 3 months or within 4 months or within 5 months, but it doesn't take much time. Okay, but usually the students who joined it, who are attending the section, all the things, first month they'll adapting all the things so that they will be in the stage 1 or 2. But when you start attending the classes more than 3 months, 4 months, your work definitely will come to the stage 3 and stage 4 area. This all the works phenomenally, really nicely the students is improved. You need to see the students, the characters, strokes, quality, proportions, expressions, everything looks amazing. This all the superstar works, the stage 4 works. I'm presenting only the stage 4 works. This all the students very near to find their own art style, very near to go in the advanced sketching skills and all the things. Right now they are in the level 1. In the level 1 they are in the stage 4. Okay, they're doing phenomenal job. I'm really happy when I see their all the works. I can see how close they are into find their own art style and same time to go for the advanced sections also. Super nice. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to share these works with all the parents. Okay, now thank you so much. Watch these videos again. Find your works will be there if your work already presented in the stage 4. You all superstar students, you all superstar student works, what you're saying it. Thank you so much. All the best. You are doing really great. Continue the same performance, same track record, maintain it so that you also will become the next month superstars also. And same time, stage 2 and stage 3, especially stage 3 students also have lot of opportunities to come into this superstar works categories areas. Okay, so basically you need to move into stage 4. Once you become a stage 3 to the stage 4, your work also will be presented here. Okay, very nice. Thank you so much. You done the great job, phenomenal work. I'm really happy. I'm watching this video again and again. When I'm creating also, I was watching so many times because it looks like nice show when I see all the works. Thank you so much. Very great, super work. I'll see you on the next superstar works on the next month. Bye, take care, good job.